common mispronounced words in English. Base, based. Many people say based with Z sound. طبعا غلط نقول بيز، لكن هي بالاس. بيس، بيس، بيس. ولو ضفنا دي في الاخر يبقى based، based. ده النطق الاي دي هنا اتنطق تي، تي. based، based، based. alright. طيب what's the rule؟ ايه القاعدة؟ تعال نشوف. ED has 3 pronunciation in English. It can be T or D or id. Listen and repeat. After T and D, not ال ED بيبقى ED, id. ED after T and D, id. Wanted, needed. لكن ال ED لما تيجي في آخر الكلمة ويكون الكلمة دي فيها الأصوات ب، ك، ف، ف، ش، ch, sh, s, s also cs sound, and x which is key s sound. ed becomes t, not ed هنا بيبقى t, t. help, helped, help, helped. looked, sniffed, laughed, washed, watched, kissed, danced, fixed, fixed, danced, kissed, watched, washed, laughed, sniffed, looked, helped. ed after these letters or sounds, ed becomes d. Call, called, cleaned, offered, damaged, loved, used. s here الاس هنا نطقها زد، خلي بالك، غير الاس هنا نطقها اس. هنا الاس هنا اتنطقت زد. s here is z. This is why we see d instead of ed. Used, amazed, rapid, and claimed. Words that end in a vowel sound use the d instead of ed. A vowel sound, we know the vowel sounds like a, e, I, o, and u sounds. So here, for example, we have o, o, follow. يبقى ال ed هنا تبقى ايه؟ تبقى d. ed here becomes d. Followed, enjoy, oi. Oi is a vowel sound. ed becomes d. Enjoyed, play. A here is a vowel sound. ed becomes d. Played, try. I is a vowel sound. ed becomes d. Tried, continue, continued. All right? Don't say base, say base, based. And let's put it in a sentence. Be based in. The organization is now based in this country. Jennifer. We can also see examples, more examples on English. Write based and list.
On the emotional content
based on
of the
emotional.
Take action and make decisions based on our emotions above all else.
You know, my ideology is based on basic benevolence. I want to.
This reaffirms the importance of place-based policies
and so on. Thank you for watching. Share and like, subscribe, follow. Bye-bye.